Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Today we're looking at pizza pinning kits, and these ones here are designed for Gainsborough pins and Gainsborough locks. The reason we put this one together is because a lot of people are still using Gainsborough and they might want to recode their own locks. So these pins here are actually different from your standard lab pins or your standard size Lockwood pins. There is a very slight difference, and it's not much, and I'll show you. So for a Gainsborough pin, the diameter is 2.74 on my vernier calipers, 2.75. For a standard Lockwood one, about 2.8, or let me just zero that down again, 0 and 2.8. So there's the slightest of difference. Basically the Gainsborough pins are thinner. They also work really good in cheap Chinese locks where they are a bit butcherous and the pins are a little bit undersized. You can use Gainsboroughs to get you out of trouble there as well, and also on some padlocks. Some people have Gainsborough locks and they try and key them up using the standard pins, and they really kind of push them into the holes. The problem is with that is that the spring pressure on the driver pins needs to be enough to push it down on its own strength. If it's got to push too hard, it's not going to push it down, creating a lockout or a jam in your lock, because these bottom pins and the top pins both have to be right size so they can move up and down within the chambers. If they get stuck, you're going to be ending up drilling your lockout. So we've added these to our lock shop. The link will be down in the description. They're a little bit more expensive than the standard pinning kits, mainly because they're more expensive pins, less common, and all those reasons. That's why they're a little bit more expensive. The reason there's 3 empty chambers is because that's the sizes they come in. So you got 0 all the way up to 8, and that's all we have available. So now all the parts have come in. We've made a couple of them up. They are available on our lock shop. And remember, we also do have this Gainsborough deadbolt repair part as well. So that's it there. To show you. So if you've got Gainsborough deadbolts on your front door and this little part is broken, we do sell it. So that's there as well. Leave your comments down below, and the link to where to buy this will be down below, and thanks for watching.